Have you ever tried running a Facebook ad but got no result? Or maybe you are just starting out and don't know where to begin. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to run Facebook ads in 2025 the right way, even if you are a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you will know how to go from zero to launching a successful Facebook ad. We will cover everything step by step, including step one, creating your Facebook business page, which is the foundation for running your ads. Step two, creating your business manager's account, which is the control center for your ads. Step three, we'll look at how to add your payment method and create an ad account so you are ready to start running your ads. Step four, we'll look at how to install MetaPixel, the secrets to tracking and optimizing your results. Step five, we'll look at how to create and launch your first Facebook ad campaign step by step the right way. So if this interests you, I would like you to give this video a thumbs up and also stick around to the end. I will also be giving you a pro tip of some common mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them.
So let's dive in. Also dive in, the first thing you need to do is to log into your Facebook account. So once you log into your Facebook account like I just did now, you can create your Facebook business page using either this your left hand side, going to pages, or you come here, click on this menu. So once you click on menu, you scroll down, you see where you see pages, and you click on page. So once you click on page, the next thing you need to do is to give your page a name. Now this name can be a brand name or can be any name of your choice or desired name of your choice. So I'll be giving this George Digitals. So I'll scroll down and I'll also give it a category. A category is like what my business is representing. So I'm a digital creator or social media agency. I'll just select that. Then I can select up to 3 categories. So once you've done that, the next thing is to put or fill in your bio. So the bio is like what you want people to know about you. So fill that in now. So we'll put the bio. So once you put the bio, then you click on create page. So after that, the next thing you need to do is to put some of your details here. So you have to put some of your details like your contact information, your website, if you have a website, your phone number, your email address, your location, your opening hours, and the rest. So let's do that. So for my phone number, I'll have to put my phone number with my country. I'm in Nigeria, so I'll select that and I'll put my phone number. So you have to fill out this information. Once you do that, you click on next. So once you click on next, you have to put your profile picture and your cover photo. So once you've done that, the next thing is to add an action button. So just click on try it. You can put sign up, check in, depending on what you want people to do. So let's say watch now is what we want to use. Then scroll down, click on next. Then you put your website link. For mine, I'll be putting my YouTube link. Then I'll click on save. So once I've done that, the next thing I'll need to do is I'll click on that place you see next. Then I can also link WhatsApp number here. So you can just put your WhatsApp number. So just click on get code. So the code has come.
put the code here. You click on confirm. So once you've done that, then click on next. Then you can also invite your friends. So I will just select all and click on send invitation. So once I do that, I'll click on next. I'll click on next. So we are done with creating our Facebook page. So after creating the Facebook business page, the next thing you will need to do is to create a business manager account.